Hi everyone, and in today's lesson I'm going to tell you 10 things that you need to know about using a, an and the. A means one, so use it when you're talking about one thing. For example, I'm a teacher. She's a girl. One thing of many. But an also means one thing, but use it when the noun, the next word, begins with a vowel sound. Remember our 5 vowel sounds in English: A, E, I, O, U. For example, an umbrella, an elephant, an apple. But one thing to remember is don't use an when the word is written with a vowel letter but pronounced with a consonant sound. A consonant is not a vowel. Let me give you some examples. University begins with the letter U. That is a vowel, but we say a university, not an university, because the U makes a U sound, Y-O-O, you can think about. Similarly, we say a used car. We say a euro. And we also say that number is a 1. You can see that the letter O there is making a W sound, so we don't use an for any of those. So it's important to remember that we're thinking about the sounds that the letters make, not the letters themselves. So, take a word like hour, H-O-U-R. It begins with a consonant letter, but it's pronounced like a vowel sound, hour. So in this case, we're going to treat it like a vowel, and we're going to say an hour, an honours degree, an SLR camera. You don't want to get an F grade in English. Let's move on to the next rule. If a word is countable, then use a or an when talking about one of them. For example, I'm eating a snack. I'm eating an apple. She's holding a pen. You can see that we use a or an when we're talking about one countable thing, although actually sometimes you can use a personal pronoun like my pen or my apple, but we'll talk about that on another day. And the next rule: don't use a or an with plural words. There are pens on the table. There are apples in the kitchen. Are you ready for the next rule? Don't use a or an with uncountable nouns. So, cool, this is difficult, isn't it? I need help. I need coffee. Let's move on to number 5. Use the when it's clear what thing you are talking about. For example, close the door. Can I go to the toilet, please? Compare these two sentences. Find a chair and sit down. Sit down on the nearest chair. In the first case, we're referring to any chair. And in the second case, we're referring to one particular chair. So actually, the next rule is that we use at or an for non-specific things. We use the for specific things. One special thing. For example, I took a bus to work today. The bus broke down. Let's watch a video. Let's watch the new Dua Lipa video. Let's move on to number 7. When telling a story, use a the first time you refer to something, and then use the every other time that you talk about the same thing. For example, I saw a cat. The cat was black. The cat's name was Tiddles. The cat ate a snack. The snack was delicious. How about rule number 8? Use the when you're talking about unique things. Unique means there's only one of them. For example, the sun sets in the west. Bangkok is the capital of Thailand. So how about number 9? And this is something I do hear a lot in Thailand. People using a for things like meals. Don't do that if you can help it. You shouldn't say I had a breakfast. You should really say I had breakfast. And finally, rule number 10. Rule number 10, use the for services or places that you visit often. I'm sick. I'm going to the hospital. Hey, I'm going to the 7-Eleven. Do you want anything? So everyone, I hope you learned something from the video. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That's the end of today's lesson. So have a great day everyone. I will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.